Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, wrenches, a jack, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands, ensuring stable access to the starter motor. Now let's get to the starter itself. Locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission. You'll see a few electrical connections. Carefully remove these, starting with the main power cable. Then, using the correct size wrench, unbolt the starter from its mounting points on the transmission housing. Be prepared for it to be a bit heavy as you remove it. With the old starter out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new starter motor into place, aligning it with the bolt holes on the transmission housing. Insert and securely fasten the mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect all the electrical wires to the new starter, making sure each connection is snug and secure to prevent any future issues. Almost done. Once everything is connected, carefully lower your Toyota 4Runner from the jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. Before starting the engine, double-check all your connections one last time. Then, give it a start to confirm your new starter is working perfectly. And hey, if your car needs a refresh after all that work, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.